Hi everyone, it's John here again. I've just heard on the grapevine that using soft drink to clean up carbon off a pot. We ended up getting most of it out, but there is still some there. Apparently, from what I've heard, if you get a soft drink, you can actually put it in and boil it up. Apparently, from what I've heard, it actually cleans it all out. So here we go. Well, it's sitting there on high, so just starting to boil. So what I'll do, I'll just put it on poise for a while and just have a jump. Yeah, matter of fact, it didn't take too long to start boiling. Just give it a quick stir to go up around the top. Yeah, just going by the size there, does seem to be some improvement already. Yeah, it's just starting to boil a little bit, so what I'll do is I'll just take it off. Let's give it a small little squirt and take it off and see if this actually works with so you just put a little bit of water in it, cool everything down, and it's just basically a wipe over with a soapy cloth. I'll just rinse that out. Yeah, I've just noticed that just a little bit improvement, but not as much as what they say, even though this has been fairly old anyway, so I might just end up chucking it out. But there was some improvement, but it'll take a bit more, too much time mucking around to fix it up. So in the bin she goes. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you found this video useful, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.